Hey guys, we are here with another video, and as you can see we have a cube and we are going to do a how to video again. So as you can see, this is a 2 by 2 cube, and okay, go back to standard. Yes, it's a 2 by 2 cube and we are going to completely dislocate it. In this sense, we are going to open it and we are going to assemble it again. So let's start. This is a different type of cube. This is not like other cubes. That is why I am doing this video, because this is very hard to put in back again. So let's start. Okay, so we have a screwdriver here. We'll check where is the screw, which side. Okay, not here. Okay, we'll go with this first. So there are two here. Till that, guys, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, that snapped out. That's how it is. Okay, one by one everything will come out. This one piece remains like that. Now we will assemble this in the sense, not assemble, we'll keep this sorted, everything. So as you can see, we have everything sorted now. So we'll take this, always check, see this. Now we'll start with this. Obviously this is the main one. As you can see, the tricolor, white, orange and green. So we'll check where, yes, two colors are same, like white and green. We got one, orange and green. Okay, orange and white. You might get white and green if I'm not wrong. Okay, we have done this. Okay, let's start assembling them. So this here we put down this one, and here this, and we have the third one here. So we have them placed, and now we will check. Okay, if that falls out, it's none of the problem. It's okay, because we don't need all of them now. So we will take white and green one first. Yes, we have white and green. Obviously we know it is going to go here. So here there is, like, it goes slide inside. So we are not going to slide it like that only. We will take one piece and if we will put it on one of the sides, and then we will slide it in so that it helps the others. Okay, we can put the second one also here. It's okay, if more there, next steps will be easy for you. So yes, there we are. We got two. It may go down like this, but that is why I have to hold it carefully. Okay, we have now, we'll take white, orange, yes, white, orange and blue we have here. And same we will do. Now we are doing this side and this side, no? So see this, yes, we will have to put it here. So this is to keep it on the correct position. So two sides we will check which is going here. So we will put one here and put one here, and there we go. Oh, if I'm wrong, tell me. No, it's not here, it's here. Yes, there we go. See, the other one is going off. So just keep it in place so it doesn't snap off. Understand? This one is downward. Now we have 3 white. This is the corner, and obviously we know that it is yellow, so it's red and blue here. So it will be red and blue and white on top. So we have one here also. Show that. Yes, we have one side sorted. Just put it down like this, so we don't have any problem. Yes. Wait, it snapped off. Okay, yes. Yeah. Just remember to handle everything correctly. Okay, now we will put this one also here. Okay, so there it goes. Now we have 4. We know where each one goes. Yellow is on the top side, so we have blue here, and orange. So it goes like this. So obviously we have to put this to help the others come in also. Afterwards, in other blocks you will not be able to put this. So yes, there it goes. Now this side. So where it is? Yes, there it is. And there it goes. The plain side that you can see. This plain side we have one. So it goes right here. And this are the last one. Green orange, it goes here. And here we go. Plain side, it goes in. Okay, here comes the tricky part. See, I messed it out. Okay, you go like, see this. The one like this, which is hollow inside. Sorry for if you couldn't see that. This one, you have to keep it aside. This will be the last one. Any piece, there are 2 pieces like that. If I am not wrong, there are 2 pieces like that. This one also has a screw. Sorry again. And there it goes. Yes, we have this one. We didn't remove that. Okay. Let me slide in. Yes. Wait, we didn't. It is going. Okay. Slide in, man. Yes. Do correctly now, man. You married him? No. There we are. Okay. I'm not telling you anything now. Yes. We are here. Okay. Yes. We have placed it. Where is the screw? Here's the screw. Okay, and this second one is also here. Okay, and yes, we have all sorted. Okay, that's the power of editing. Leave it, and here we go. Everything is working again.